Hello again. I'm going to show you how to use the vitamin C which I bought, and this is the vitamin C, and it comes in this box, and that's the vitamin C. It will be in, there is fluid into that lid, and as you can see there is the vitamin C down there in this bottle, and so I've pushed it in and we just have to shake it so that it mixes up. And when it mixes up, this vitamin C is now activated to start working on my face. And I'm going to use it with the Dermasonic. This is the first product that I'm going to use with the Dermasonic, and I'll show you the reason why I have to start with vitamin C. So as we can see, it's now mixed. Here, the vitamin C is done. And when the vitamin C is done, we take off this lid here, which is, it brought the vitamin C. It's this lid. It was in there. So it went into this bottle, and we are putting back the head. There we go. And then this is vitamin C. Remember, with vitamin C, you only use it for 30 days and then it expires. So you need to use it every day. Just make sure that you put the vitamin C so that it is working on your face so you can see the results. A lot of women, we get products and we sort of keep them on the dressing table, and without using them, they expire. Well, how sad. This is money, guys. So if you buy your vitamin C, just like what I've done, I've taken it out of here, and now I'm going to use it. And without any further delay, I'm going to take this Dermasonic machine with that head, and I'll switch it on.
Artistry.
It actually confirms this is artistry. And then when it confirms, if you go through this, there we go. It's now asking me that the first product first on your face is vitamin C, which is this product now that I'm going to put on my face. And I'm going to put some on my face. Normally it would be nice just to drop a few onto my face. There we go. And close the bottle. Normally, if you put it on, you need your Dermasonic to actually seal your face with it. So let's start. You just touch your skin. Remember, when your face is dry, you need to put some more. Now, it's that time when you really feel you've got spaces on your face that you don't like, and you are trying to repair them, just like some of us, okay? We've got these spaces that we look at and we think, I need to take care of this one because there's a wrinkle there. So you keep putting on your creams there. So this is vitamin C, as I said, and that's how you do it. You just touch your skin, really, just like that. Yeah, sealing all the creams in. And remember, take care of your eyes. So don't put things into your eyes. Some of us, we've got issues with eyes. That's why we need to take care of them properly. So that is vitamin C. And